Today's topic will be comparing and ordering integers. Before we get into comparing and ordering the integers, I need you to remember that an integer is a positive or negative whole number, also including 0. So if it's a positive or negative whole number, we do not include decimals, nor do we include fractions as an integer.
Ordering integers. You can use a number line to help you compare and order integers. Remember, an integer is simply a positive or negative number. When comparing numbers on the horizontal number line, the number to the right will be the greater number. For example, let's start with something you're used to. Compare 8 and 3. Is 8 and 3. We know 8 is greater than 3, but you can see that 8 is to the right of 3. So 8 is greater than 3. Compare negative 4 and negative 7. It's negative 4, negative 7. You can see that negative 4 is to the right, so it will be greater. So negative 4 is greater than negative 7.
I want you to notice that this lady is keeping the same order. So 8 and 3. 8 came first, 8 comes first, then 3, then the 3. You're comparing 8 to the 3. 8 is greater than 3. For the second example, we had negative 4 and 7. So negative 4, negative 7, second. Negative 4 is greater than negative 7. After watching that YouTube video, you should understand that inequalities is two values that are not equal. It can be compared with greater than or equal to, or greater than, less than or equal to, or less than, and not equal to. An example of inequalities would be negative 3 is less than or equal to negative 1, or 5 is greater than 3. An example of not an inequality was 2 is equal to 4 over 2. We know this because 4 over 2 is really 2. 2 does equal 2, but when inequalities, that word in front of equals means not equal. These are equal, so that cannot be true. For homework, I want you to compare the following numbers: 1 and 7, 1 and -3, -3, -6, as well as creating a number line using the following numbers and make 4 inequality sentences based on the number line that you created and those numbers.